How to schedule a WhatsApp message on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can schedule a WhatsApp message on iPhone. So let's dive in. So first you have to open this shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once you open this app, you have to click this automations option over here, and then you have to click this plus on the top right corner. And then it's going to give you this list of personal automations. You have to choose time of day. And now you have to choose the time of day over here. For example, I'm going to go with 5 or 7 a.m. So once you choose the time, you have to choose daily and then click run immediately. Make sure you choose this option. And then head over to the next step by clicking next. Now you simply have to choose this new blank automation over here, and then you have to choose the search bar and search for WhatsApp in this bar and choose WhatsApp. And now you have to choose send message. And once you choose this option, now you have to send the message over here. Just customize your message by clicking this blue message icon. Now type in your message over here. For example, happy birthday, if you want to send a birthday message to someone on a specific time. And then choose the recipients over here by clicking this recipients option. And now you have to head over to your contacts by clicking this plus sign, and then you can just choose the contact that you want to send the message to and schedule it for, and then click done. And then you have to click done again, and here you go. You have now created this automation and you have scheduled your message. Now once 5 a.m. ticks, your phone will automatically send the message that has been scheduled right now. And that's how you schedule a message on WhatsApp on iPhone.